Hello everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Just wanted to show off a very fresh trade, 2022 Ram 1500. It's a Laramie Longhorn, Patriot Blue Pearl Metallic, body color bumper group, so bumpers are painted to match the rest of the truck. Very special. We originally sold it. Previous owner traded it in on a 2500 recently. We built it as well too, so 6-inch lift by BDS, steering stabilizer, speedo calibration, 35-inch BF Goodrich KO2s, some fuel rims on there, looks really sharp. We did the painted to match fender flares, so it was done at our body shop, looks really good, nice match on there. LED headlights up front that actually rotate and turn a little bit when you make a corner. Kind of some old Mercedes technology trickling down to the mainstream. Wheel-to-wheel running boards, so look good, give you some protection as well too, and then easy to get in your box or in and out of the back or seat or front seat. Have your bed step as well there too, kind of kick it out, easy to get in and out. And then of course the easy open tailgate, so just easy open, there's a spring in there that helps it. Spray and bed liner, trifold tonneau cover, kind of accessoried up, don't really need anything else. Push that back in. 2-inch receiver on the back, 7 and 4-way plug for your trailer towing needs. Sliding rear window, great feature. Use that more than a sunroof, which this one doesn't have, which is handy because you have that back sliding window. Beautiful cattle tan and brown interior, cattle tan and black interior. Your rear seats are actually reclining, so if you want to come take a quick look for a little bit better shot here. Handle underneath, and these guys slide down and give you a little better ergonomic livability there for the rear passengers. And then outboard seats are heated, flip up seats. You got a flat floor in the back, a nice fold out compartment tray. Let's flip that up real quick just to show you, which folds away too if you want more floor space, but that folds up. Ram bins either side, have the beautiful Longhorn mats that you can take out the Berber carpet, and then you're left essentially with an all-weather mat, or then just leave it in all year round, but I would recommend taking out the Berber or just even getting standalone black all-weather mats. Passive entry, so you got heated driver's seat, ventilated driver's seat and passenger seat, heated steering wheel, 12-inch Uconnect screen, telescopic and tilt steering wheel, adjustable pedals. There's so many features on this truck. I could frankly make a half-an-hour video, but I don't want to bore you. Love to have you come down, take a look, go over this guy in detail. Just under 19,000 kilometers, 18,700 and change. Beautiful truck, just the right balance of chrome and black and Patriot Blue on here. Give me a shout myself, 780-952-3018. We'll talk to you soon.